Hello, this is Maya Andreasen, and in this lesson we are going to go over how to export our textures from Substance. So we are going to go to File, Export Textures, and the Export Textures window is going to open, and it looks like this. And I'm going to make it just a tiny bit smaller so we can see the bottom of the screen. So we have two tabs here. We have Export and we have Configuration. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to indicate where you want to save your file. So if we click on this, we're going to open up the file select folder, and we can then go to where we want to save our textures. I recommend going to obviously your project folder. If you're taking this into Maya, I would just go to your source images folder and save your Substance textures there. So let's make a new folder in our source images, and we're going to call this box textures. And double click on it, and this is where we are going to save them. So this is the folder we've selected. So select folder. Next, PNG, 8-bit. So here you can select how you want these to save. You can save them as a PNG. You can save them as JPEGs. You can save them as TIFFs, as Targas. I'm going to keep it on PNG. And then you can also choose to save your textures as either 8-bit or 16-bit. Next is the Configuration tab. So if we go over to the Configuration tab, you'll see by default we're on Amazon Lumberyard. And that gives us 3 output maps. It gives us a diffuse, a spect, and a DDNA. So I actually like to go to the PBR metal rough preset, because that saves my maps as I get a base color, I get a roughness, a metallic, a normal, a height, and my emissive. Okay. You can also go to Arnold 5, which is very similar. So Arnold is the more advanced renderer found in Maya. So as you can see, they have a color, a metalness, a roughness, a normal, a height, and emissive. It's pretty much the same as the PBR metal rough, but I'm going to go with the PBR metal rough. There's also PBR metal gloss. And so it has glossiness instead of metallic. So it just changes the names a little bit. When you're done, you can see that I can't export here. I have to go back to my export tab and click export. Make sure that you have saved everything to the size and scale that you wanted to when you first set up your project, because that's what it's going to export as. I'll be exporting as 2048 by 2048. And then we click export. And it'll take a couple minutes. When it's finished, it'll give you the option to open up your folder. So you can either say OK or open folder. So if I click open folder, it goes straight to the folder that I indicated I wanted this to save to. And as you can see, we have my color channel, my emissive, my height, my metallic, my normal, and my roughness. And that's how you export textures from Substance. Till next time, bye-bye.